Cardano value equivalent to 6.8887 rands a coin. The present cost range: 6.7748, 6.9638. The earlier day close: 6.9347. The change was 0.0460, 0.66%. Opposite rate: ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost 7.01 rands, high 7.50, low 6.52. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 6.84 rands, high 7.32, low 6.36. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 6.70 rands, high 7.17, low 6.23. Cardano estimate on Thursday, November 23. Cost 6.97 rands, high 7.46, low 6.48. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, November 24. Cost 7.12 rands, high 7.62, low 6.62. In multi-week Cardano estimate on Monday, November 27. Cost 6.53 rands, high 6.99, low 6.07. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 6.74 rands, high 7.21, low 6.27. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 6.63 rands, high 7.09, low 6.17. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost 6.96 rands, high 7.45, low 6.47. Cardano conjecture on Friday, December 1. Cost 7.07 rands, high 7.56, low 6.58. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost 7.16 rands, high 7.66, low 6.66. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 6.99 rands, high 7.48, low 6.50. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 7.22 rands, high 7.73, low 6.71. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost 7.56 rands, high 8.09, low 7.03. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, December 8. Cost 7.52 rands, high 8.05, low 6.99. In 3 weeks Cardano conjecture on Monday, December 11. Cost 7.63 rands, high 8.16, low 7.10. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 7.95 rands, high 8.51, low 7.39. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 8.36 rands, high 8.95, low 7.77. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, December 14. Cost 8.13 rands, high 8.70, low 7.56. Cardano estimate on Friday, December 15. Cost 8.32 rands, high 8.90, low 7.74. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, December 18. Cost 8.44 rands, high 9.03, low 7.85. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 8.49 rands, high 9.08, low 7.90. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 5.46 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.62, while low cost 5.17. Found the middle value of cost 6.30. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.96, change for November 27.5%. Cardano estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 6.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.47, while low cost 6.50. Found the middle value of cost 7.51. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.09, change for December 1.9%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 7.09 rands. Excessive cost 8.62, while low cost 7.09. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.72. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8.06, change for January 13.7%. Cardano figure for February 2024. Before all else cost at 8.06 rands. Excessive cost 8.59, while low cost 7.47. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.04. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8.03, change for February 0.4%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 8.03 rands. Excessive cost 8.03, while low cost 6.58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.43. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.07, change for spring 12.0%. Cardano figure for April 2024. Before all else cost at 7.07 rands. Excessive cost 7.69, while low cost 6.69. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.16. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.19, change for April 1.7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 7.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.82, while low cost 6.80. The found the middle value of cost 7.28. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.31, change for May 1.7%. Cardano estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 7.31 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.98, while low cost 6.94. The found the middle value of cost 7.42. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.46, change for June 2.1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 7.46 rands. Excessive cost 8.15, while low cost 7.09. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.58. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.62, change for July 2.1%. Cardano conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at 7.62 rands. Excessive cost 9.00, while low cost 7.62. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.16. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.41, change for August 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 8.41 rands. Excessive cost 8.56, while low cost 7.44. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.10. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.00, change for September 4.9%. Cardano conjecture for October 2024. Before all else cost at 8.00 rands. Excessive cost 9.93, while low cost 8.00. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.80. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.28, change for October 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 9.2.